Hey seafood lovers! Today, we're bringing the vibrant flavors of the coastal regions to your kitchen with our Prawns Koliwada. These prawns are a burst of spices and tangy goodness, a true treat for your taste buds. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this spicy coastal delight. Before we embark on this flavor journey, let's gather our ingredients. For the marination: 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, juice of 1 lemon, salt to taste, 250 g prawns, cleaned and deveined. Other ingredients: 2 tablespoons besan, gram flour, 2-3 tablespoons curd, dahi, yogurt, 2 tablespoons corn starch, 1 tablespoon refined flour, 2-3 tablespoons oil for deep frying, chaat masala to garnish. To make the coriander, green, chutney: 1 cup fresh coriander, 3-4 garlic cloves, 1 small peeled ginger, salt to taste, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 tablespoon oil, 1/4 cup water or as required. In medium bowl add ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri chilli powder, coriander powder, lemon juice and salt to taste and mix well. Add prawn and mix well. Marinate the prawn for 5-6 minutes at room temperature. To the prawn mix add besan, gram flour, curd, dahi, yogurt, corn starch, refined flour and oil. This will give the prawn crispy coating. Mix well. In a wok heat oil on high heat to deep fry the prawns. If the oil is not hot enough, the batter will leave the prawns. While oil is heating up, let's make the coriander chutney. In a blender add coriander, garlic cloves, ginger, salt to taste, lemon juice, oil and water. Be mindful of water that is being added. Higher the quantity of water added, the more diluted the chutney will be. The oil should hot enough. Now add the prawns and fry for 2-3 minutes or until crispy and golden. Once they're out of the oil, let them rest on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Sprinkle with chaat masala, and serve with coriander chutney. And there you have it. Your Prawns Koliwada, a spicy coastal delight ready to transport you to the shores. If you're ready for a seafood adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more coastal-inspired recipes. Enjoy this flavorful journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!